Have you ever given a total stranger a ride? Well, don't try this at home, but watch this. Hey man, you need a lift? I can get you to where you need to go. It's free.
I'll take a ride from a stranger.
Yeah, right now. Why not? You never know when you might make a friend, right? Ding, ding. Yeah, I do. Right there.
Is it a C-charger?
I don't know. I just have this thing.
Oh, you don't have a charger?
I don't have the cord. What's your name, man?
My name's Kenneth.
Kenneth, right on, Kenneth. Where can I take you? It's free. I'll take you where you want to go. What do you got going on today?
Kroger's.
Kroger.
That's where I need to go.
Coming right. You want a pop? I got some pop.
No, I'm all right.
All right.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind having one.
Yeah, why not? Hey, this is luxury all the way.
Hey, thank you, thank you for the ride.
Absolutely.
What's your name?
Zook.
Zook.
Z-U-K-E, yeah.
Zook.
What are you,
That's a German or something, huh?
Herr Zook? Yeah, I suppose it could
Zook?
be.
I have friends that were Zook. There's Amish or German.
Yeah, next time I'm in Munich or Frankfurt, Germany, I'm gonna have to introduce myself as Herr Zook. maybe I can impress some of those Fräuleins with that.
You look like you might be French or Italian or Native American or indigenous.
Indigenous, yeah.
Somewhat.
No, I'm actually Serbian.
Serbian, all right.
Yeah, have you ever been to Serbia?
Serbian. That's Middle East, near Czech Republic. It's north of there.
Indeed, it is.
And then you got, I know about Serbia. I remember when we were over there near the Iraq. When we were in Iraq.
Well, there were the Balkan Wars of the 90s.
Serbia's near Bulgaria.
Yeah, it is.
Right there.
Yeah, I've been to Niš, Serbia, which is right approaching the Bulgarian border, and you can see the Bulgarian highlands off in the distance there. It's only about maybe 100.
Do you have a phone?
100 clicks. Yeah, you need to use a phone.
Yeah, I was gonna see if because I'm going to Kroger's, but my father was going to send me some money because I'm kind of right now in transition. I was staying at the Mission 2 nights now. I stayed and they had me laying on the floor in there.
Oh, how are the accommodations? Not too.
It's not a place I want to be staying at.
Is it a bunch of weirdos?
A lot of skinwalkers and stuff like that.
Skinwalkers?
Yeah.
What's?
Just people that are invasive or creepers.
Oh.
Sort of like. You gotta watch everything. You watch your back constantly.
It sounds like the Mos Eisley spaceport from Star Wars.
Yeah.
Remember that when
I don't.
Ben Kenobi hired Han Solo to get him to Alderaan, and he said a more wretched hive.
I've never actually watched that movie all the way through.
You gotta check it out. A more wretched hive of scum and villainy you'll not find in all the galaxy. Well, how long you been living on the streets?
What do you mean, like off and on my
quite a while?
Since I was, 13.
Oh, jeez.
Off and on. I've had my life together at one point. Then there was 2 points, 3, 1, 2, 3. At a few points in my life, I've had my life together. Had trouble keeping it together.
What, have you wound up in jail a few times? And
nearly like 60 times, probably.
Really? You're not like a bank robber or anything, are you?
Nothing like that. Mostly it's always been alcohol related.
What do you do? Have a couple drinks and take a swing at a cop and all that kind of thing?
I just have I have a genetic, what do you call it?
Predisposition?
Genetic dependency. Yeah, it's predisposition. Sure, genetic predisposition for,
Have you gotten treatment?
I can take one shot and then I'm a different person.
You set booze down in front of you, you can just forget it.
I can take one shot and I'm not a different person. It's just, it's in the mind, most of it is.
Uh-huh.
I wish you had a lighter.
What,
Can I smoke this? Can I hold it outside?
Yeah, but I'm not sure if that works, but you're welcome to try, certainly. Have you been to the big house? You been to prison or just the county jail?
I've been to prison one time.
What, like Wabash Valley or
Westville?
Westville. Oh, that's up north there.
Mm-hmm.
How was the food there at Westville?
Right by Gary, Indiana.
Yeah.
The food was horrible in Westville.
You couldn't like butter up the chef to pick something.
The guys cooked food that was like, awesome. With the commissary.
How was the warden? Was he a real hard butt or?
He was an Italian guy.
Oh.
I wouldn't say he was a hard ass. Really, no. He was.
Oh, that's cool.
He wasn't.
How about the guards? Were they compassionate or were they quick with the baton or how'd that work?
They were pretty much passionate. They were pretty much just,
You know this dude?
I don't want to say. I don't want to give too much of an opinion about it because I don't feel like I almost don't have the right. Hey, we're back at the Shalom Center.
Oh yeah, the Kroger's right up here. We just got it's like a one.
You're right, it is. It's right up there.
Well, how long you been out of the can?
The can. That's a different one for it. I've heard that one before. Let's see. How long has it been? It's been a good while. I've been out for quite a while.
Well, good. Do you make it to church once in a while?
I would like to more often.
Well, it never hurts to get you some church and get straight with the big boy upstairs.
I am straight with the man up there.
Okay, I'm not trying to
say that I'm like completely, I'm not, I'm not.
Well, we have all fallen short, brother. We've all fallen short.
There you go.
Yeah, believe me, none of us are equal to the glory. That's for sure. But church is a great place to be for all kinds of different.
No man is without sin, and we all fall short of the glory of God.
Well, there you go. There you go.
So I mean, I know. I was baptized into a Baptist.
Did you grow up in a religious family or?
Half and half. No, I didn't grow up in a religious family, but I was around them. Half of my family, they were in church, and the other half were not. They didn't go to church.
Was it
my mom's side didn't go to church. My dad's side, they all had to go to church.
Was it Catholic?
No, they're a non-denominational Church of Christ.
Oh, excellent.
The Church of Christ,
back home in Hobart, Indiana. My best friend
up north.
Yeah, it's by Gary. It's by Westville.
Hobart, yeah. I know that.
My best friend Anthony. Oh yeah. Have you been to Valpo?
Never been there. I'd like to see it though. I know it's up there.
When I was growing up in Hobart, Indiana, my best friend Anthony Goodwin, he went to the Catholic grade school. He didn't like it because those nuns used to beat him.
Yeah, I heard they had it rough.
Well, you kind of had to know Anthony. Anthony's, he always wanted to get in the last word, and sometimes...
I like Catholic Church, honestly.
Oh, yeah, they do a real nice job, but sometimes Sister Disco didn't care too much for it.
Sister Disco? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Is that a nickname?
Well, that's that old Who song.
Okay.
And Anthony called Sister Ostentina Sister Disco right as Monsignor was coming around the corner, so Monsignor issued a little corporal punishment. But you had to know Anthony.
Who's Monsignor? What's that? The monastery senior?
Well,
Monsignor. What's that? Is that a?
It's like a Catholic term. I'm not Catholic,
this
so
wouldn't be the Kroger's I'm talking about, but they may have the.
Do you want to go to the?
I was thinking of the one on the other one, but this may.
Well, I can get you wherever. Hey, you're the boss here. You want to go somewhere else or here? Or?
The other one over on the east side is probably better.
Okay, we'll go over to the east side. No problemo.
Or honestly, let's see what I did.
There's the Kroger here. There's the one on the east side.
Do you drink?
No.
Do you smoke? Do you go to church?
I'll leave all that.
Have you been in the can?
I'll leave all that to you, but
yeah, I don't want to. You don't leave it to me. I can't handle all that. All of it.
So you want to go here, or you want to go to east side, or what do you have in mind?
Well,
you're the boss, like I said.
Do you know where Center Stone is?
Yes.
Is that downtown?
Yeah. You want me to drop you off at Centerstone?
Yes.
Okay, that's a plan.
They have like
the Centerstone's a good place. They're good. They're good people there. I don't know a whole lot about it, but I know they have a ton of resources
I appreciate the ride. You helped me out a lot.
Well, hey, you know, we're all, you know, everybody has their struggles, and it sounds like you've had plenty of them. But you know, are you on probation, or are you on paper, as they say, or are you like free as a bird? I mean, I don't mean to get into your business, but I can help. I'm good at this kind of thing. I've been through it, and right now I've got some. You got to meet with your probate?
No, I'm not on probation right now.
Okay.
I'm actually, I do believe that I'm on pre-trial for a misdemeanor trespass, where I went to church, where I went to the hospital to get help for my alcoholism, and I had a no trespass, and they arrested me at the emergency room.
They busted you in the emergency room?
At the emergency room, going through the breezeway before I got in there.
Well, it's just, that sucks. Why, it was just like clicking off to jail?
Yes. And then they released me before I never even went to court, and set me a court hearing. So.
What, did they throw you in the drunk tank for a couple days?
Yeah, they threw me in the drunk tank.
This is Centerstone.
For 12 hours. And that's not even the place. Yeah, that's a word, John. I've never been here. But
do you need to use my phone to call your dad?
Yeah, that'd be great.
Okay,
you can't park here, though.
Well, as long as we're here. Here, let me get that. Hey, I had to pause the video so Ken could use my camera phone to call his father. Look for part 2 of our ride in the description below.